I put a 30 Glock on his head. Fat. Start hitting his who it is.
Hello? Yes, ma'am. No, we're gonna be over here like to 7 o'clock. Yes, ma'am. All the way till it's done. Yes, ma'am. You already know.
I don't know who the fuck that was calling my phone, but they be the goddamn white folk ass tripping. Bitch, I be having to same my shit up for that ass. How the hood is? Damn. Hello? Oh, you already know it, but where you at with it? Shit, I'm right at the spot. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, it was just my little play, bitch. They had me tripping, bitch. I been had to sit my shit up for that. Call 12 on my ass. You know, but you can't never talk normal with that. Who is this? Hey, keep on calling my ass. Hello? Where y'all at? Shit, right here on the cut. Hell nah, you know, we the same how we did last time. Yeah, you crazy as hell, bro. I told you last weekend, you stupid and fine. Yeah, we still about to wait and let the same thing last time. You were the same with this shit. You crazy as hell, Shafir. You know me for sure. No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Team deathmatch.
You calm, bitch. I'm chilling in Call of Duty right now. What's up?
I need 3-5. I need 3-5.
A 3-5?
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. They been saying need 3-5. Hold on, bitch. Watch out. Hey, they been saying need 3-5 real quick. Come get this shit. Man, I'm finna goddamn stir this nigga goddamn. Fuck. I know what the fuck going on. I'm in Call of Duty with the Rex on God. And Call of Duty nigga in the real deal in the field on God. Oh shit, buddy!
I'm doing good. I'm doing
what's
okay.
going on?
So I tore my ACL the other day, and
Right.
it's been hurting really bad.
Right.
I've been kind of wobbling,
Uh-huh.
and man, I
Turns out you have COVID-19.
have COVID-19.
Right, yeah.
My ACL hurts.
Yeah, but you're positive, so
We haven't even done any blood tests yet.
you don't have to. We can see it. We can see the symptoms right now. We can see the symptoms.
Are y'all just trying to sell the vaccine to me or
No,
something?
we're not. You need the vaccine. Come here, quick.
Uh,
Come here. You have to take the vaccine. Come on.
oh,
Hi, how are you?
how you doing, man?
You okay? What's wrong?
Not really. I was
wrong?
playing basketball with my friend JJ last
right.
night, and I really hurt my ankle.
Oh, you have COVID.
What?
Yeah, you have corona. I'm sorry.
I was just playing basketball.
No,
like,
you have COVID, baby. You have corona. Come on with me.
okay.
Come on.
Do you have a wheelchair or something? I'm hurting.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, okay. This don't look like a doctor's office.
Hey, we ain't gonna tell them shit going on. Hey, if they come, they got COVID. I say if they come, they got COVID.
Come on with me.
What
Thank you. Hey, what's your name?
Man, my name's Jacob.
Jacob.
And
What's wrong?
I have a severely bad case of pink eye.
Oh, a pink eye?
I was at this party last
Yeah.
week with my buddies
I don't wanna
Jacob
hear
and
it.
Kyle.
No, I don't have to hear it. You have COVID, baby.
What?
You have corona.
I have corona in my eye.
Yes, sir. Come back here real quick. We have to. Hey.
No.
You have COVID.
I don't have COVID.
No,
dude.
you have COVID. Come here.
I don't have no, I'm not.
My pretty boy MK, and today I'm gonna be pranking my friend. I'm gonna break his PS4. And I'm gonna be surprising him with a brand new PS5. Guys, hit that sub button right now. This prank is very, very real. Let's get it. Alright, so look, what I need you to do, I'm walking through the door, right? So
Yeah.
I want you to just playing the game like playing regular Call of Duty or something. Okay. Then I'm on player controller. I'm just smash controlling. You'll be like, what the fuck, man? What are you doing? You get mad, I know.
Yeah.
Alright, let me set it up here. Alright, so I like you don't see the camera. Do not look at the camera.
Okay.
Do not look at the camera.
Hey, turn it a little bit more.
Oh,
put
shit,
a
so
little bit more.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, that look good right now. Alright, so basically I'm finna walk in. So they ain't gonna know I said, come on, how can I edit it? Let me see.
Yeah, that's pretty. That should be good.
All right. All right, guys. So he don't know that the camera is right here. He can't hear me right now. So we're gonna go in on the ring right now. He's playing the game. He's playing a video game. So do this. All right. Hey, yo.
Yeah.
You playing a video game?
Yeah, I'm about to play some Warzone. You guys want to hop on?
Can I see the controller?
Yeah.
I don't got no with this thing. Bang it out. Put that baby Glock on. Put that baby 9 up. And get you a fucking stick, right? Man. Come on, turn this back on. Bitch, you stick up this Chopper City. Pull like a bitch trying to move a whole thing. These niggas steady trying to show down Mr. Daddy Gang from Losing Brain. One more thing. I pledge allegiance to the stick in the United States of a stick culture. And to the pledge with which we call United States on the sticks, get your ass bust with the stick, oh God. Real killer pose up on the block. And I ain't showing no sympathy for no pussy. All dogs must die.
Bruh.
Shit!
What you doing?
Son, gangster in the building. Nature's so in the building. Gangster in the building.
Okay.
I just had a spiritual awakening out there, hoe. Like a real deal spiritual awakening. Look, you see how slow I'm going down?
Yeah.
Look.
Wow.
All right, now I'm meditating. Gangster. You feel it?
Yeah.
I'm controlling the fucking wind. Wind, blow your ass. You feel it? It's blowing.
I don't feel it.
Like, coming to us. Like, you feel the energy? It's fucking positivity. It's flowing around the fucking air. It's motorcycles in the street. You feel the energy? It's positivity inside of us. It's energy inside of us. The grass is inside of us. The fucking power is inside of us. Gangs are in the building. Nature's so in the building. It's fucking energy, man. The fucking energy is open deep inside us. You gotta dig it out. Get it. Give me energy. I need energy. In the show, like, what the fuck you want? Hold on, what you doing? No, man, I'm going to sorry.
Oh, can I get a cold cut trio?
We ran out of cold. Only thing we got peanut butter jelly sandwich, we got down bologna sandwich.
Peanut butter jelly? That ain't on me.
Oh, God, so, like, what you want?
Oh, where your mask is?
My man, shit, we ain't got down, look. Like, if you get sick in the hole, we suing your ass. Cause get what, I ain't none of us in here sick, bro. So, come here with that shit. You can your ass sued, don't curl.
What the heck? Hold on, y'all got to be pranking me. You work here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Where your manager is?
I ain't got down back there smoking gas. Come here, let me take that. Look, I was gonna tell you, in the back, I got the gas, I got propane, I got edible cookies. Goddamn, we got the what they call it, the rats in the back. You gonna help on this shit? Hell, blood, we out there, hoe.
Man, hell no.
Look, what you mean now?
Hey, y'all.
Alright, I'm gonna fuck with you.
Alright.
I'm gonna fuck with you. Next, I need some cookies and I ain't talking about the one you eat.